In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Robinhood chain meme coins on Axiom. Now, the first thing I have to point out is that I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Trading meme coins carries extreme financial risk, so always do your own research before investing into anything. Now that we got this out of the way, we can get started with this video. So to actually trade Robinhood chain meme coins on Axiom, which you may have know is already like a popular trading platform for meme coins. It was on Solana, BNB, and Ethereum for a long time, but of course now when Robinhood chain dropped, they do have Robinhood as well. So if you are interested and you are new, you can just create your account and you can get started by using the link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever if you sign up using my link, okay? So if you're interested, link down below. Now, from here, when you actually come to your Axiom dashboard and sign into your account, the first thing you're going to have to do is go to the top here and you want to select Hood, so Robinhood. Now, there's going to be 4 of them. You may be on any different one. Just click on Robinhood over here and you'll be on the Robinhood chain. Then you're going to have to connect your wallet, which is already going to happen, of course, if you have created your account. You can go to that process through that. And then you're going to have to deposit some Ethereum, or more specifically, of course, as they use over here, is going to be the Robinhood ETH, okay? So you can also go and click deposit here, and you can deposit it to your address, or click on the buy button and buy it over here directly, which is also, of course, going to be possible. So those are the ways you can do this. And then to actually trade Robinhood chain meme coins, there's going to be a bunch of ways on here. I'm going to show you some of the most basic ones. Now, the default tab you're going to open is this Discover tab in the top left. Now, on the Discover tab, you can see the trending coins, and then over here, there's a bunch of different meme coins, okay? Now, I am not affiliated with any of these. I'm just going to click on some random ones just to kind of show you how to perform these actions, where to find the buy and sell buttons, etc. Now, you have the option to actually click on any of these. For example, like this one, I'm going to click on this one, a random coin. And here you can see the buy and sell buttons. You can select if you want to buy or sell. And then, of course, you can select if you want market, limit, or advanced orders. And then here you can put in the amount you want to buy or sell. Click on this button, and that's all you have to do to buy and sell these meme coins, okay? So that's the first way. You could also go to your Discover tab again, and you have the quick buy option over here on the right. So you can go to the top and type in the exact amount you want to select in quick buy, and you can just scroll down and hit the buy button next to the meme coin you want to purchase or trade, okay? That's also one way to do this. But then kind of the more common way to do it would be to go to this Pulse tab up top. And inside our Pulse tab, you want to switch to Robinhood, make sure on here, and you can see new pairs over here, which are kind of the new meme coins that came up on the Robinhood chain. You have Final Stretch, which are the coins before migrating, and you have the migrated coins as well. So you do have like a bunch of different filters you can change over here. There's going to be like a bunch of things you can include, exclude, etc. Up to you if you want to set these. There's a bunch of ways to do it. But of course, the basic here would be to basically just go and click on any of these. And when you click on a specific one, you can go and basically just buy and sell them, okay? So if I find a random one over here, I'm going to just click on this one, for example. You can again see the same screen we were on earlier. You have the buy and sell buttons. You can put in the amount, click buy, click sell, and you are good to go, okay? Now on your portfolio here, you'll be able to find everything you're holding in your portfolio on the Robinhood chain as well, okay? So that's essentially how to trade Robinhood chain meme coins on Axiom. Again, if you want to check it out, link is down below. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.